Let's do a really fun kind of playful filler in this area, and it's gonna kind of look like a splat. So we are gonna stitch out kind of a wavy, like a Nickelodeon kind of splat. We're just gonna do one, and then we're gonna follow along it and kind of build off of that. So let me get the first one done. Now I am going to kind of trace back along just a little bit to get out of this corner, and once I get like right around here, I'm going to make another splat that kind of builds upon this one. And we're just going to continue from there, building off of the existing splats and filling this whole area. I had this weird little unquilted area, so I just wanted to go back and fill that kind of before I got too far away. So now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to trace along this edge and get back to kind of my active quilting area. Now, if you wanted this design to really stand out, you could fill a couple of these kind of splats with a really dense filler, and it would make all of the other ones really kind of stand out and show off how they're kind of overlapping shapes. So I'm going to fill in, I'm going to make a new one and fill it in with just some back and forth lines. Okay, I have filled in this one, and now I'm going to move on and make some splats to surround it. So why don't I fill in another random shape, just so this isn't the only one. Here's our little overlapping splats. I really love the little accent splats that are filled in with a dense filler. I think it makes the whole design really come together and look a little bit less like a meander and more like an intentional kind of closed splat design. Now you can see I got a little hasty here. Some of my lines don't exactly line up, but when you're using matching thread and matching fabric, it will all blend together over the entire surface of a quilt. So I love these little touches of dense filler that aren't going to impact the feel of your quilt as much as having a dense all over filter that's over a larger proportion of the quilting, because it kind of smushes together the fabric, the batting, and the backing fabric, it can get a little stiff if you do it over like an entire quilt. But these little tiny splotches are just going to add kind of some visual interest without changing the kind of cuddliness of your quilt. So I hope you enjoy.